Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 R-Dynamic, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is also ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian Grey Metallic. To start off with, then you have LED signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 20-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. This vehicle also has keyless entry, which is brilliant for allowing you to lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find a large amount of boot space you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your leather trimmed multifunctional steering wheel, and once again we can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found this position you are also able to save it. It is a memory seat as well. Moving to your sliding panoramic sunroof, this is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your leather trimmed heated multifunctional steering wheel, you have everything you need, including your cruise control, hands-free options and of course volume controls. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 18,009 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. It does support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information as well as your terrain response modes, making this vehicle suited to most terrain. As well as this, you have things such as your Bluetooth connectivity and DAB radio, as well as your valet mode to keep things secure, such as your home address, whilst your car is being valeted. And of course you also have your rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction easily. The front seats in this vehicle are also heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 R-Dynamic that is now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.